Well, I was cruising along. Me and Wes were headed out to Buc-ee's in Leeds to meet Rick and Ron and Alex, and well, I ran out of gas. So at least that's all it is. Everything looks great otherwise, but yeah, I'm stuck on the side of I-20 with all sorts of merch and Teddy. So Wes is grabbing some gas and coming back, and we'll get back on the road. Welcome to United by Trucks, and in this video we're headed to LST. Fresh build on Teddy with all new suspension, new front clip since the wreck. I still got to wash the truck, but what better place to start it than right here at Buc-ee's. We're in Leeds, Alabama, and we're headed west to Conroe, Texas, so hope you guys will follow us along. We're gonna have a good time. Here we go. Who's Karen?
This is Karen right here.
Oh, this is Karen.
Screw Cap Karen.
Well, this is Kyle. What's up, man? How you doing?
I like it. I'm doing pretty good.
C10 Club Maryland.
Right. Check us out.
Firefighter.
Yep. Washington D.C.
Man.
So we're 2 days into this journey. 850 miles so far. We left yesterday at 5 a.m.
God, I'm just getting started.
Yeah. We're about halfway at this point.
So we're in Leeds, Alabama, at Buc-ee's, and you're in this.
Yep. So this isn't what I planned on bringing. It was last minute decision. Was going to bring the Suburban. That's what I drove last year.
Which is a dark blue, like, what year?
It's a 91, got a built 6-liter 4L80 that I've lost for the second time again.
Gosh, how do you keep breaking? Well, maybe it's that Texas Speed BFD.
It could be the BFD cam. But, you know, the QA1 coilovers on it make it ride great.
Yeah.
But ask these guys right here.
Yeah.
This thing right here has been riding like a Cadillac. For
oh, man. Oh, yeah. These crew cab long beds, I mean, Gus was the same way, especially if you got a little weight.
Yeah.
Put a little camper shell on it. Yeah.
454 turbo 400.
Where'd you find this thing?
This was found about 15 minutes from my house in Maryland. I chased it for a year.
Yeah.
The old guy that had it was willed to him. He was the mechanic that did the work on it. His buddy passed away, and it used to tow a boat back and forth to Florida.
Yeah.
For like a vintage power boat events.
Yeah, very cool.
Yeah.
I love the look of it. It's got the vibe for sure.
It's getting there. Like right now, it's still carbureted with the turbo 400.
I was gonna say, what are your plans for it?
I got a Terminator for it for fuel injection, a 4L80 that's going on it, and we're gonna change the heads and intake and hopefully get a little more power out of it.
Yeah, they are kind of anemic.
It's got a 6.8 drop kit sitting in the house for it.
Very cool.
And Mob Steel, Detroit Steel, they called me yesterday. The wheels are in production for it.
Very cool.
So,
you talking about what those are? Or
they're Del Reys.
Yeah.
You know, with an 8 lug, we're keeping an 8 lug.
Yeah.
So you only have 2 options: a Del Rey and a Smoothie.
Are you going silver?
No.
What color?
Antique white.
Ooh, that's what mine are.
I think.
Well, that's what my D-Towns are.
Yeah, I think it's going to go good with the white.
Oh, totally.
Two-tone.
Yep.
So they should be here in a week or 2, I think.
Very cool.
Kind of powder coat. That's what the holdup is right now. So hopefully the next time you see it, Battle in Bama, it should be on the ground with the Detroit Steels on it.
Man, you mind if I open the door?
Yeah, go ahead.
I love the pinstripe. Oh yeah.
It's a repaint.
Is it really?
It's not the original paint.
Yeah, I guess I can see that it would be a repaint,
Yeah,
but
it was repainted in '96. So this is awesome. Yeah, it's a weird stripe tape. So
I love it, man.
Got a whole new interior for it. It's waiting on it. Got the Dakota Digital RTX gauges.
Very cool.
All the stuff sitting in the house. And
you got the Igloo little cool rest.
Yeah. I was gonna put the gauges in last week, but everything works right now.
Yeah.
I didn't want to screw something up.
Well, so I love it, man. Especially look at the door speaker. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's
we gotta
custom.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not a fan, but it works.
Oh man, that's.
So yesterday I went.
That's what a road dog's all about, man.
So I went to Florence, South Carolina to pick up Matt Cooper yesterday.
Yeah.
And he still has dual smog pumps, all the emissions.
Dang.
100% OG.
Yeah, we stripped all this off of Gus.
As you can see here, we had to plug all of the manifolds. They all blew out on the way to pick up Matt yesterday. So
dang, man. Hey.
These are a 12-valve Cummins oil drain plug.
And they worked.
And they worked.
Well, you're road dogging it.
Yeah.
And it's Karen.
It's Crew Cab Karen.
Crew Cab Karen.
She's want to speak to the manager about something.
Not at Buc-ee's because everything's just right here.
That's right. Chick-fil-A.
Yeah. Oh man. Can you mind if I go show in the bed real quick? The shell is I'd love to have this on Smokey, for sure. Oh yeah.
Also picked up local 15 minutes down the road.
Oh, you did, these didn't come together?
No, it's
Dang.
all from Maryland. Everything I sourced there, everything
Man.
I found there. So.
Well, good for you, dude. This is rad. You ready to burn up some more miles?
We're gonna burn it up at 8.5 miles a gallon.
8.5 miles a gallon.
8.5 miles a gallon.
Hey, I won't run out of gas again because I'll be stopping with you.
That's right.
I mean, you got to film a little Bucky's brisket, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Alex Walker said breakfast of champions, son. I'm not gonna film you eat it though.
Brisket tacos.
Oh, film the first bite. Welcome to the road trip, sponsored by Bucky. Yes, you do. Sounds like it's got about 9,000. It sounds so good.
It's all bark, no bite, man.
All bark, no bite.
Hey, we got 20 miles a gallon that time.
All right, guys, so we're like right outside of Laurel, Mississippi, and well, Teddy's doing great, except I lost 2 caps within like, I don't know, 30 seconds. Irritated, so I took the other 2 off, and I've got 2 more under the seat, so I'll at least have a full set at the show.
The other one, we saw it coming off. That's what we were telling you.
I thought you meant, yeah, we're saying, God, it looks like hell. So I lost 2 caps in like 30 seconds on the road.
Well, the one was gone for a little while. And then the one shot off and like,
I'm gonna need your insurance information because it hit over here.
Did it really? Man, I saw it fly off, but I thought it went under the truck.
You know, it went right behind the rear wheel and then right in front of my truck.
I've got 2 more under the seat, but I think I'm gonna pull these other 2
you
off.
pull those off. I pull them off, yeah.
These roads are so rough. Golly, those are
Teddy's on the nuts right now. Look at
those
it.
are on there. I should have tightened the clips.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And he's running. What you think?
About what?
I mean, about this trip we're on. Just like I said in the video, about that chicken sandwich we ate for lunch. TTR, tell me what you think.
About what, Teddy?
Yeah, no, about the chicken we had for lunch.
Y'all had chicken for lunch without
You were
me?
here. I'm just kidding.
Oh, that was yesterday.
You got 47 minutes in this truck where you can watch the whole damn thing.
It's bad to say that. I'm so far behind the videos.
I hadn't seen the new one. That's the only one I hadn't seen.
You see what I deal with, people? Both of these rascals are in it.
I've been too busy riding around buying trucks and getting parts.
I've been too busy driving your trucks.
Hey, you been asleep yet?
No.
Surprising.
Yeah.
So you've been a good passenger.
I went to bed about 1 last night.
Oh my gosh.
5.
Dang, I went to bed at 4 and got up at 6. What you know, I don't ever do that.
Yeah, but you don't ever actually do any work. You just like edit and stuff like that.
Oh yeah, is that what it is?
You don't ever do any like...
Also haven't watched the last video. Man, we're in business right here, people.
It says that $1 in.
Business. You don't have to be in the nozzle. You just need to be near it.
Says
I had to get the close
after he
up.
spills like $9 in fuel.
Yeah.
So 93, man.
I'm running premium in here too, man. This thing has so much trash in it.
He's like, don't make me laugh. It'll cost me.
I know. I like to pull my glasses off so I can actually see when I'm getting full.
One for the road.
But I'm scared to take my hand off this.
Alex, I'll take a water.
Y'all look at Kyle's big beast. This thing is the only non-LS powered or non-modern drivetrain
Non-overdrive.
in the crew. Big block with a turbo 400.
8.8 miles a
He
gallon.
ain't no modern drivetrain either.
But
8.8 miles a gallon. He's doing 75 miles an hour. No problem. Anyway, we're leaving Mississippi, heading into Louisiana. I got to check the trans fluid. Making it through Mississippi, getting near Louisiana. Pretty pumped. Teddy's doing so well. Really just can't say enough good things. I love this truck. So glad we got to rebuild it. Welcome to Louisiana. I love traffic. Alright guys, we are somewhere outside of Denham Springs, Louisiana, which if you remember Denham Springs, that's where the Blazer broke down, not last year, but the first year, because of the fuel pump wiring being a little too short. So anyway, we're here. Like I said, I still got the caps off of Teddy because, well, we lost two and I took the other two off just to keep from losing those. I got two more under the seat, but we're doing good. All our trucks are doing good, and we're making pretty good time. How far out are we, Wes?
5 hours-ish.
Say what?
No, we're just past the 4 hour mark.
Punch it in right now, let's see. Conroe, Texas.
Yeah.
4.5, huh?
We were both right.
Man, we gotta, yeah.
Technically, I was
This
more
seems-
right.
I mean, were you?
Technically.
How's the
Hey,
Durburb?
watch out for that car.
How's the Durburb doing?
Yeah. School bus riding down the highway, man. Smooth as glass.
Smooth as glass. You having fun?
Oh, yeah.
Me too, man. Got this wind, I forgot I had the different mic on. This wind is just gonna butcher that. Oh well. What in the heck is happening around here? Man, let me tell you what we're dealing with right now. Wow. This is awful. But how cool is that? Oh, it's pretty rad. I know it's probably windy and loud, but we're a couple hours out. The sun's starting to set now, so who knows what we'll get after dark, but if I don't catch up with you before morning maybe, it's been a fun ride. Teddy's doing great. All the other trucks are looking awesome and doing well. Hope you've enjoyed this footage. I've had fun making it. There's Patty Pat in the yard. God, Rick or somebody is blinding me. Okay, we're at our house. It's dark. Oh, there comes Brian. Hey, guy. Say hello.
How are you guys?
Dude.
So good to see you, man.
Does my truck sound like it's running all right? I think it is.
Sounds like it.
It's got a little rattle.
A little bit.
From the exhaust.
It's a killer rattle, though.
Dude, we made it.
You made it.
How many miles was that? I have no idea. It was
for me, it would have been 800 something. You guys are a little lower.
I think it was more than that for us.
Yeah,
how many miles was that for us?
Close to that. Maybe.
Any idea?
I got no idea.
Look at Patty Pat.
Y'all came from Egypt, for all I know.
Patty Pat.
What's up?
Dude, I'm gonna cut this camera off. It's too dark. All right, guys, as it goes, our trip home was relatively uneventful. We lost 2 UBTK5 t-shirts out of one of the tubs in the back of the truck. The lid basically blew off, but we had a really, really good trip. Wes Bramlett was in his Duraburb. Obviously, I was in Teddy. Alex Walker was in the red OBS. He and Ron were riding in there. And Rick was in SQR BDY, the red and white square. We're all LS powered or Duramax powered in the case of Wes's Suburban. But we had a great time and really enjoyed having Kyle Fannin, Huck, and Matt Cooper along for the journey on the way down. Really appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch up with you next time right here on United by Trucks. Cue the music.